how you can uninstall your Roblox on your PC. So basically there are two versions that you can download on your PC and one version that you can use on your browser. So for the browser's version, you're just going to open your browser and type in Roblox. You can open its homepage and log into your account. So you don't need to download this web version. So in order to close this, you just close this tab and you're good to go. So once you do this, your browser version is deleted. Where your account is not deleted, just the web browser, the page is deleted. So in order to access your downloaded version, you just type in Roblox on your start button and you can see this uninstall button right here, or you can right click on it and tap on uninstall. This will take you to your settings and you can search your Roblox here, and once you find your Roblox, you just tap on it. You just scroll down until you find Roblox, or you can just search on the top, search for your Roblox and then click on it on the three dots and then click on uninstalled and just uninstall the app. So it's now saying uninstalling Roblox, and that's how you can easily uninstall your Roblox on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.